Hello student, welcome to in 5 minutes. So our next problem in type of directional derivative is find the angle between the normal to the surface. The surface is given, that is xy is equal to z square at the points p1, 1, 1 and q4, 1, 2. Now what we need to find angle between the normal. When you talk about normal, students, you should understand that a normal to the surface is said to be gradient when we have a scalar point function. So what I consider this as phi equal to xy minus z square. So that's my scalar point function. For normal, what I need to do, I need to find first del phi. So del phi is dou phi by dou x I bar plus dou phi by dou y j bar plus dou phi by dou z k bar. So phi with respect to x is I get here y. Phi with respect to y is I get x, and phi with respect to z is minus 2z. So I can say, therefore I can get del phi is equal to yi bar plus xj bar minus 2z k bar. Now that's my del phi. Now there are 2 points which are given. What I need to do, I need to find del phi at each point. So let's say del phi at P. So del phi at P will be I bar plus j bar and minus 2 k bar. So this I got as del phi P. I say del phi at Q. So when I find del phi at Q, I can write here, so y, so that becomes I bar xj, so that is 4 j bar, and minus my z is 2, so that becomes 4 k bar. So I got del phi at both points. Now these are nothing but these are said to be normal at this point. Now students, you know, whenever I need to find an angle between two vectors, so these are nothing but we need to find angle between two vectors. So I can say here, whenever I want angle, I can say a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta. So therefore I can write cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by ab. In the same way, I can write here cos theta is equal to del phi p dot del phi q, and this gets divided by del phi p mod and mod of del phi q. So now this is my cos theta. So let's find dot product of this both. So I say my dot product of del phi p dot del phi q is given by 1 plus 4 and plus 8. So that comes to be 13. I need also magnitude of this. So the magnitude is mod of del phi p, that is under root, this becomes 1 square plus 1 square plus 4. So that is under root of 6. In the similar way, del phi q is under root 1 plus 16 plus 16, that comes to be 33. So once you substitute here, so I can say now, that is cos theta is equal to, my dot product came to be 13. This divides by root 6 into root 33. So that's my cos theta. So I can say, therefore angle theta can be cos inverse of 13 divided by root 198. So that comes to be 22.50. So problem completed.